Hey, beautiful friends. This is a somatics yoga practice for the vagus nerve. So we're doing vagus nerve and somatic exercises to relieve both physical stress and emotional stress in our life. I'm not using any props. We're going to get started right away. Friends, take your index finger and your middle finger. You're going to palpate your collarbones right here. And just find the left collarbone and gently press. And when you do that, you might feel something right away in the shoulder. And then take your left hand and press on the jawline. So I'm going to the upper edge of my jawline and gently going to twist, push this way and push this way at the same time. So in opposite directions. Now hold that. And then come back towards center. And do it again. Press. And come back towards center. Connecting to the breath. Inhale. Exhale. And come back towards center. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to add on a little. So you're going to gently press with the right and the left. And hold and side bend through your waist. Making some nice, delicious space for that vagus nerve and also flossing through the web of nerves, through your skull, your fingertips, your jaw, your arms and shoulders. And come back up. Rotate back towards center. Let's do that again. A little pressure, twist, then side bend. Breathe and hold. And then slowly come back up towards center. Let's do that one more time, okay? Again, press, then side bend. Up and over. So you're keeping that rotation through the cervical spine. Gentle pressure through that shoulder. Breathe. Notice the sensations. Notice any smells. If the scents have changed. Notice how you feel in your shoulders, your jaw, your mouth, your lips, your tongue. And then gently come back towards center and release. Okay, sit up nice and tall. Look to the left and look to the right. The vagus nerve runs through this region, so we want to tone the vagus nerve, create space for the vagus nerve, all the connective tissue, the fascia that surrounds the vagus nerve. Okay, let's go right onto the other side now. So we're going to start here. You're going to take your left fingertips, palpate, and find your collarbones. We're going to go onto the right side, and then you're just going to press gently. And this side might feel different from this side, okay? So you're gently pressing, go along that edge, and you find that space. Notice any sensations. And then as you press back, you're going to take your fingertips, the index and your middle finger, onto the jawline, trace from the ear, go down, and now twist to the left with your head and back with your shoulder. Gentle, okay? Should feel good. And then come back towards center. And again, gentle. Ready? Go inside the body. Listen to your body. See what it's needing, what it's calling for. You might need to go a little deeper. Maybe you need to back off. Connecting to the breath. And if you come up against an edge, use your breath. And also, slowly come back towards center. Move trepidatiously. Move with curiosity. Twist again. And try not to force this, friends. Just see what the body needs, okay? So leave those ideas and just be open. And then come back towards center, okay? So you probably noticed a change from each side. We're gonna add that side bend. Again, a little pressure here, a little pressure here, twist, and then side bend. Okay, so this accesses that region and opens up the tissues surrounding the vagus nerve a little bit differently, okay? Because we have all different planes going on here. Then gently come back up into that frontal plane and come back towards center. Inhale, exhale, twist, side bend. And then slowly come back towards center. And you're welcome to stay there a little bit longer. So if you feel some really deep sensations and you want to, if you feel it's therapeutic for you, then stay there a little bit long. Linger there, twist again, and come on over. Really, really simple. Moving into that rest and digest mode. See if you can keep that cell phone off or at least on vibrate while you're doing this. I know we all have responsibilities and it's just hard to constantly be triggered by these beeps and rings constantly. And come back towards center. Tune into the sensations of your body, your breath. Ooh. Okay, look from side to side. Notice any shifts in mobility. Bring your hands to your heart and send out gratitude. Om Shanti, 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 Namaste. How do you feel, friends? I'd love to hear. Please comment below. If you enjoyed this, comment below somatic vagus yoga. And I'll do more of these practices. If you haven't checked out my weekly calendar, then I'll put those links below. I look forward to seeing you very soon on the mat. Namaste.